Hello kids, get ready to learn a super simple Independence Day speech for LKG students. Practice with us, speak with confidence and celebrate the spirit of India. Jai Hind. Namaste everyone.
Namaste everyone.
My name is Suyansh.
My name is Suyansh.
Today is Independence Day.
Today is Independence Day.
We celebrate it on 15th August.
We celebrate it on 15th August.
I love my country India.
I love my country India.
I love our national flag.
I love our national flag.
We should respect our freedom fighters.
We should respect our freedom fighters.
Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.